So somebody asked about the use of convergence in helping to localize the internuclear ophthalmoplegia. And you should watch that INO video. And INO is exactly what it says it is. It's ophthalmoplegia from the interneuron between the two nuclei. And the two nuclei are the sixth nerve nuclei, which lives in the pons, and the contralateral third nerve nucleus, which lives in the midbrain. And so when you want to make your eyes look to the right or to the left, in this case, we're going to be looking to the left here, we have to fire the left lateral rectus muscle at the same time as the right medial rectus muscle. And that means the left sixth nerve nucleus has to talk to the left sixth nerve to talk to the left lateral rectus muscle to get the eye to abduct. And at the same time, the signal has to be transmitted to the right third nerve subnucleus, the right medial rectus, so we can get both eyes to look to the left. And that is mediated by the medial longitudinal fasciculus, a white matter bundle that is the interneuron between the two nuclei, nuclei 6 and nuclei 3. And so when we have an INO from an MLF lesion, we're not able to adduct the eye because the medial longitudinal fasciculus is not receiving the signal from the sixth nerve nucleus. And so we have an adduction deficit or an adduction lag. And one of the ways we can localize using convergence is the convergence center lives in the thalamic mesencephalic junction. So the midbrain to the thalamus talks directly to the third nerve subnucleus from the rostral-thalamo-mesencephalic junction. So the near reflex can talk directly to the third nerve nucleus without the medial longitudinal fasciculus. And that means if you've got an adduction deficit, can't adduct, but you have an abducting dissociated horizontal nystagmus from a right internuclear ophthalmoplegia, we can make the right medial rectus fire by using convergence. But that'll only work if the lesion is in the pons. Because if the lesion is in the midbrain, it'll disrupt the near signal to the subnucleus of 3. And so if the convergence is intact, that tells us that the lesion is in the pons, and that the medial longitudinal fasciculus lesion, the MLF lesion, is in the pons and not in the midbrain, and that's how you use the convergence to prove that.